did one eye off camera, and guys, I was struggling with this look. And yeah, this is just a yellow eyeshadow tutorial for the fall. It's more of a mustard yellow because the regular yellow is just a little too much to be walking outside looking like that. So yeah, this is for the fall. To start off, I'm going to be using some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. I'm just going to go over my eyelids. And I got some concealer on my eyebrow. I'm going to fix that. Now I'm going to blend that out in tapping motions. And guys, I'm trying to work on talking more in my videos so I don't sound so awkward. I'm a very shy person. I'm not really much of a talker, so that's something I have to work on when it comes to these videos and being more articulate. Yeah, I don't want you guys to think that, yeah, I can't talk for shit. I'm a very articulate person, but when it comes to, you know, these videos, I'm just very shy. Anyone that knows me knows I'm a very shy person, very reserved and more to myself. But yeah, back to the eyeshadow. I'm just patting out the concealer. And again, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Toffee to make this eyeshadow really pop, because I find that on darker skin, when it comes to using light eyeshadows that are like yellow, it looks just ashy without a base and it doesn't really stand out. So today I will be using the ColourPop Yes Please eyeshadow palette, and I'm just using two shades. I'm using the yellow shade and then this tan shade. So what are the names of those? French Kiss and Chauffeur. And yeah, I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. And I'm finding that these two shadows together just create like this really pretty mustard yellow color, and it's so bomb for the fall and also Thanksgiving, since that's right around the corner. Now in the crease, I'll be taking the shade Chauffeur, which is this tan shade, just to give the eye a little bit more dimension. I'm just gonna brush away that excess powder from the eyeshadow. I know it looks weird like around here, but yeah, we're gonna apply some foundation. My eyebrows were looking a little weird because of that planet right there. I think my beard is coming up, so like I'm breaking out right here. Also, I did a face mask that you guys saw in the last video. So it might be bringing some gunk out of my skin to the surface. So to start off, I'm going to be applying this VDL Primer. So I'm gonna mix these two together. This is by Makeup Forever Ultra HD Skin Tint, and it's too orange, so I always mix it with the L'Oreal True Match Foundation in Cool C7. And this eyeshadow is not, you know, standing out like the way I want it to. We're just gonna keep going. I think I have to get the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, the Masquerade one. That yellow is more, you know, warm. But anywho, I'm gonna be using this concealer by Maybelline. Now I'm going to be taking this Black Opal True Color Foundation, and I'm going to be using that as a contour, just a little bit along the cheekbones and the nose.